Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know that we're looking a little crazy right now, but I am super excited to be filming today's video. We are going to be doing summer proof, sweat proof, oil proof brows. I wanted to do something that was going to be affordable for many of you, and if you guys are oily, you know the struggle of brows, like looking a little bit oily right here towards the end of the day, especially if you don't have a lot of brow hair. When you use brow pomades, it goes onto the skin, and then if you sweat or if you get hot or anything, it starts looking really shiny. You guys know what I mean. So I'm going to show you guys how to get summer proof, sweat proof, oil free proof brows. Really easy technique, and it's a little bit weird, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Just a few things that you guys are going to need handy is a little brush. This is my favorite one. It is the Anastasia 7B brow brush. Love this. It is super thin and it just carves out your brows really nicely. You're going to need a brow pomade. You're also going to need a brow gel of your choice, some setting powder or powder that you use to bake your face, and you're also going to need some sort of brow product as far as a what do you call this? So I'm going to use this. This is just going to set my brows with the pomade, if that makes sense. So first things first, we're going to start by carving out our brows. I'm just going to do them, not really talk through them, because I want you guys to see how I do my brows. I feel like it's easier for you guys to learn and maybe pick up on tricks if I just show you what I'm doing with my brows instead of just talking and talking and talking. I'm going to comb my brows upwards first because I like that bushy effect of brows. And then I'm going to start drawing the top of the brow. I don't fill it in yet. I just go in and outline the brow, and then we can fill it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more of that pomade, and I'm just going to run it through my brows, and then we can go in and set them. By going in with a pomade and filling them in, they're going to stay on for a little bit longer just because the pomade is a thicker consistency, like a thicker formula than your regular pencil. So that is why I like to go in with a pomade first and then set the brows. I haven't finished off my brow yet, but I'm going to take the black shade from this Pixie and Chloe Morello palette, and we're just going to be filling in these brows because I like my brows to be more dark. I like them black instead of just like the brown color. I would suggest for you guys to use a brow shadow, whatever you guys call it, and set your brows in the areas where you don't have a lot of hair, because once you put the pomade down and then the product on the top, then it's going to adhere and almost like seal the products, if that makes sense. Now what we're going to do is, okay, this is going to seem a little bit weird to you guys, but trust me, I've tried this before and it works. We're going to take our setting powder. I would highly suggest for you guys to get a setting powder that does not have any flashback or that does not have any color, like the banana shades, because we're going to be baking our brows. Okay, so let's take a beauty sponge and we're going to dip in to our powder. Now what we're going to do is we are just literally going to be baking the brows. I'm going to do this brow off camera, and then we will be back and dust off the product. I'm going to show you guys how you can still leave your brows looking bomb AF, because I know it looks crazy right now. So leave this on for a few minutes, and then yeah, I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Now that we look crazy with our brows, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This is the Aesthetica P12. We got this in our BoxyCharm last month, and I'm literally just going to dust away the product. Now to pretty much like seal everything, mattify, lock it down, we're going to go in with our brow gel. This is the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. I love this stuff. If you guys are a fan of setting your brows, which I highly recommend, This is a really good product. The very last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a concealer, and I'm just going to clean up my brows. That's just a must for me in my brow routine, and I feel like it makes a huge difference. So yeah. So there are the brows. As you can see, they look exactly the same. Like, they don't look weird, they don't look powdery, they don't look white. That is why I like to go in and clean up my brows as like my last step, because it also helps get rid of any excess, what's it called, like the powder for the baking, if you have any left. And I love it. My brows literally look exactly the same, and they wear so much longer. I absolutely love this trick. If you guys try it out, please let me know. And also, I would love to know what your favorite brow products are, because I'm always on the hunt for something new and innovative and cool and different. So leave me your thoughts in the comment section down below, and let me know if you're going to be trying out this beauty hack. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.